Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to print a web page in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Firefox if it's not already open, and select the application menu icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select print. Please note you can also tap the Control and P key combination on your keyboard as well if you want to open up the print dialog window here. On the right side underneath destination, you want to select your appropriate printer, or if you want to save it as a PDF file, you're welcome to do that as well. And you can change the page or print orientation here as well. You can adjust how many pages you want to be printed out, and then you just would select the print button to confirm that, and that's all you have to do. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.